Resource nationalism is back in vogue. Get ready to fill up your petrol tank, and macro forces keep a lid on metals prices. Grab your coffee and let's get into it. I'm Shae Russell and welcome to your Mining Minute. Gold continued to tread water, currently at $24.93. Silver sits at $28.18, up 0.4% overnight, as traders bank some gains ahead of the Fed September meeting coming in 2 weeks. Still reacting to manufacturing PMI data from the US and EU, copper was pushed below $4 per pound at one point last night, and both lead and zinc fell 1.4%. The trend of resource nationalism continues, with President Joe Biden about to block the Nippon Steel purchase of US steel under the guise of national security. US Steel supports the deal and has concerns there will be job losses and steel mill closures if the deal with Japanese-owned Nippon Steel doesn't go ahead. Donald Trump has also said he would stop the takeover if elected. This is a curious step from both sides of the aisle, as Japan has been an ally of the US for over 5 decades. Brent crude was smashed down to $72 per barrel overnight, with the energy source down 5.3% this week alone. Brent is now at its lowest level in almost 3 years. So get ready to fill up your tank, listeners, as it generally takes about 2 to 4 weeks for the spot price of crude to filter through to users at the pump. The recent price falls in crude must have spooked OPEC+, as apparently certain members are considering not increasing production come October. Overnight, the Bank of Canada cut rates, and locally Australia's balance of trade, exports and imports data all drops around 11:30 a.m. today. Plus, we have the RBA Governor's speech at lunchtime, which we know everyone will be looking for cues about when we get rate cuts. Now tap the like button so you've always got the Mining Minute in your feed.